Warning, the tether snapped again. You're falling into Pluto. Right in front of you is an icy world glowing with a pink-brown haze. But do not fall for it yet. That pink layer comes from ultraviolet light and cosmic rays, slamming into methane and nitrogen, and turning them into Tholin residue. You drop through an atmosphere so thin it barely exists. No wind, no sound. The sun shrinks to a pinprick. The icy plain below you stretches farther than you can see. So quiet, like nothing ever happened here. You keep falling. Then finally, you hit the ground. But something feels off. This is not normal ice. You're standing on solid nitrogen. Negative 229 degrees Celsius. And it gets weirder. This ice is not dead. Weak heat from inside Pluto pushes up from below, making it slowly churn like a giant pot of thick soup. You look down closely. The ground is split into massive polygons stretching for dozens of kilometers. Good grief. You're standing on an ice field that breathes, and each breath takes hundreds of thousands of years. You look up at the sky. It is pitch black. The sun is just a slightly brighter star in the night sky. But one thing hangs there without moving. Charon, the biggest moon of Pluto. These two have spent ages, locked face to face with each other. It never rises. It never sets. They've stared each other down for billions of years. Neither one looks away first. Before New Horizons flew by in 2015, humans could barely see surface details on Charon. You start walking into the distance. Ahead of you, a huge ridge rises up. But when you get close, it is not rock. It is water ice. And at this temperature, water ice is hard as granite. It stacks into peaks 2 to 6 kilometers high. The tallest one beats the Alps. But every piece of it would just be a glass of water in your living room. You cross the ridge, and the ice below you suddenly cracks open. You do not even have time to react. Your whole body drops straight in. You pass through the ice, and somehow, it gets warmer. A few hundred kilometers down, you slam into liquid water. A real ocean, hidden inside Pluto. This is not some science fiction scene. Data sent back by New Horizons in 2015 led scientists to suspect that under Pluto's icy shell, there's probably a global underground ocean. It may be about 100 kilometers deep and mixed with ammonia, acting like natural antifreeze. Bro, the whole solar system thought this thing was frozen solid. Turns out, it hit a warm little ocean at the deepest level. You keep sinking, and your feet hit the core of Pluto, made of rock and metal. It may be around 370 degrees Celsius. In 2006, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet and kicked out of the 9 planets. But when you stand on its heart, you realize that label really did this world dirty. It has flowing glaciers, a warm ocean hidden under the ice, and a core that still has not fully cooled. Out in the farthest corner from the sun, it keeps itself warm and has for 4.6 billion years. Being ignored does not mean it has no story. Being forgotten does not mean it has no warmth. That is Pluto, and that is you too.